there, YouTube. Teaspoon here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the secret menu on your Roku TV. You won't need any links, anything but a Roku TV and your golden, and that's all you are going to need for this video. So make sure that you have that and go ahead and follow along this wonderful tutorial on how to get this secret menu. And first, before we get into this, make sure that you like this video and go ahead and comment down below. Do you want to see more videos like this? Just please let me know, because I'll be happy to make more. There's more than one of these secret menus, and I'll be happy to share. So make sure you comment down below what you think. So now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get to the actual process of getting this secret menu. But the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and make your way over to your Roku TV home screen, because this has to be in use like so before you can actually start the process of enabling this screen. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and press your home button 5 times. So it'll actually alert you with a little sound if you don't have it turned off. So just so you can hear it, we're going to go ahead and turn my sound up a little. And go ahead and press your home button 5 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Fast forward 3 times and rewind twice. And now you can see I'm actually at a brand new screen. You've probably never seen this before, and it's actually pretty neat. You can do some wild things on the screen, not all of which are that useful, but there are some pretty cool ones. For example, your second option that you have here is the cycle channel store server, and if you click that, it won't take an immediate effect. Most of these options that you toggle on and off, or you switch and change, you do have to reboot or turn off and turn on your TV for it to actually take an effect and stick. But once you've done that, it's pretty much set in stone till you change it. And basically all the cycle channel store server does is it just changes your store location. So if you can actually see it, my actual store number right now, or store server, is the US store, because that's where I live. But I can actually cycle through the channel stores till I get to, for example, say a Sweden Roku store. Now, I'm not really sure why that would be useful, other than to download banned private apps, but there are other ways to do that, so it just depends. Maybe you can find a reason to, but it's just there. I'm not really sure. But then you have factory reset. That's going to completely wipe everything and reset it to the way that you got it whenever you got it in the box or you bought it. And then at the very, very last one, the second to last one, is Cycle Software Update Server. That basically does the exact same thing for the updates as it does with the stores, so you can just cycle the servers for like different countries. That I'm not really sure how that would really affect, but maybe it's different. Maybe you can find a way to use it. Let me know in the comments below if you do, because I'm quite intrigued. And then your very, very last option on the screen is actually update software. Now, for some reason, even though I did say I am on the latest version, which is 8.0.0, it will still let you update. So it actually wants me to update from 8.0.0.4183 to 8.0.0 0.4183. Now, I'm not really sure why, but it's kind of neat, kind of a waste of time, but you can also imagine that this could actually be useful if for some reason your TV wasn't automatically updating your software, and for some reason your actual default way to update your system was actually not working, because there are reports of that actually happening on certain models of TVs. So this can actually be very useful for some people. But again, I hope that you liked this video, and please, if you did like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe, and please comment. Please comment if you want to see more videos like this, and if so, or if not, tell me what kind of videos you would like to see in the future, because I have plenty of videos to make, and I'm happy to share. I just want to know what you want to see. But again, as always, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, peace out. And I hope that you've been having a fantastic, wonderful day.